Guys, welcome back. I'm gonna try to make a website in 1 hour. First we have to make a clock for it, or I should say a countdown. I'm thinking about a method that works, but let me actually research that. So count down. Obvious. Plugin. Oh, it's like an I don't know how that works. EXE, okay. That's never a good idea. Confuse. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not a fan of EXEs, to be honest. Maybe I can somewhat install it here. Let's not do plugins, let's do another one. New way. Okay.
In this video, I'm going to download it. So initially it's going to come as a zip file. You want to go ahead and unzip this. If you don't know how to unzip it, just simply do a simple Google search.
Simple countdown. Simple countdown. Oh yes. Okay. Sure. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do it in video so I don't lose it. Okay. CSS file, JavaScript. Okay. Okay, well, if that is the case, then no. No, I don't like that method. gonna put it behind somewhere. Then just gonna use just like I'm doing. Great. What the hell's going on? Okay. Was it the wrong screen? Let me actually do home. I just want to do new, like newest or something. HTML templates. let's make a nicer page. So this is more. A lot of apps. I hate apps. Actually, let's delete a copy. I'm gonna do it with TypeScript. Oh, this is like wireframe clips and okay. Illustrations, mockups, themes and templates. What is this? Let's go to category, freebies. I wanna have like a live demo or something. Let me see what this is about. This is like a framer. Live review. Let's see. Okay. This looks pretty cool. I'm not sure how they made this. Oh, it's like, oh, I do know. No, that's gonna make this. Check if I find something decent. Let's see what this is all about. Cool. We're looking for a template right now, so let's relax a little before we start. It's free, really? This could be a good design freebie. What is this? Healthcare. Hey guys, welcome. So today we're gonna do a 1 hour challenge and this is making a healthcare landing page. I'm gonna show you the page. There are some accordions, there are some testimonials, some hover states and a footer and also nicely introducing, right? Also you have this going very slow so everything is nice responsive and we're gonna see because we have 1 hour. Let's see how far we come. I'm not expecting to get everything done, but maybe we will. And yeah, we also have to think about the images and those kinds of stuff. So let me see. Okay, this is also working. We're probably gonna use some other things, but let me think if we have everything set. So we're gonna use reactjs, we're gonna use TypeScript, and we're gonna use Tailwind. Tailwind 4.0, so it's the newest version. Not sure how it works on if it will work, but we'll see about that. Basically, this website that we're gonna make is an actual existing website. Again, this is for educational purposes. This is not a design that I have and then do something like that. I'm training myself like when the time comes that I can create it fast. So yeah, if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 6 something in 7 years. And again, I just want to say that I'm not just going to fill in a prompt and say like, hey, you see how it is, how easy it is making website. No, it is not easy. Um, but yeah, I'm going to show you some clips about it. And yeah, let's make the timer, proper timer ready. So it's like 1 hour. Let me see how that looks. Great, 1 hour is present. And yeah, let's start. Good luck. Alright, so the first things what we're going to do, we're gonna set some things that are repeating. So the first thing that's probably repeating is the button, but let's check just in case. No, it seems that this button is the only, oh, it's used 2 times. Okay, so we can do the button, right? So we're gonna make a button TSX and cover the style. Then we have the text size of the H1 that we need to do and a paragraph, right? So that's what we need to work on. Also, these, yeah, how do you call this? Um, I will call this mini banners, right? So we have some mini banners. So we have 4 TSXs what we need to work on. Paragraph, mini banners. Of course, we have the text with H2, right? TSX. Also with the colors, right? So let me see the P. Um, seems that this button can be resized, so we have to think about that. And I think those are really the only things that we need to work on aside from the images. So we have to get some images and yeah, these are the things that we're gonna work on. So how I'm gonna do that? Well, basically, one of the things that I'm going to do is like, hey, I'm gonna make a screenshot, right? I'm gonna save that screenshot and I'm gonna say, all right, gonna say button. Just what I have to say. So we can do two things. We can say like, okay, we're going to an AI that has visual things going on, or we could say like, hey, what we're gonna do is we let the AI describe it. I'm using like a poor version of ChatGPT. We can let the AI describe it. Let me see. It's button.png. This is a button. Please, please describe it as a prompt. Or I could say Okay. Um, could you convert this um, into HTML, CSS, but HTML and Tailwind? Let's see. Well, that can be a bit bigger, right? So, but at least we have the button. So that's what we can do. So basically, this is the button. So we're gonna go to this page, and then we could say like, hey, we're gonna make a new map on this map. I'm gonna say components. Gonna say button.tsx. We're gonna use a short things. We're gonna button RAFCE. We're gonna make a fragment. Like you need to know React for this, right? Like hopefully that makes sense, right? And we have a button. Let's see if we can display it on the screen. So we're gonna go to the app and we're gonna go here. We're gonna say button from that component and import it. And let's see if we can get it actually on the screen. So go to localhost and we have the button on the screen. So that was very simple, all right, guys? This is one way of doing it. Now there are other ways, but that is what I'm gonna do for these things right now with the text size, the paragraph, mini banners, the H2 and those kinds of stuff. So yeah. Alright, so let's do that. Let's do the text size. I'm not sure which text size it is, so we're gonna use keeper. Gonna see this is text size with line height 72. Okay. Alright. Page one. Oh, I think already. Okay. I'm just gonna say header tsx RAFCE, and we're gonna make fragments. Fragments has been done, and we're gonna say h1. We're gonna say class name, and the class names are the next ones. I copied those things. So text 62 pixels, and line height, which is tracking, is 72 pixels. Tracking is 72 pixels. And we're gonna copy that text. Okay. Why is my linting not working? Not sure what's not working. Okay, it's working here though. Oh, suddenly it works. Okay. Say children. So say children, right? And we're gonna also say, like, hey, really fast. Brackets open. Okay, great. And we're gonna say class name here, and then when we're gonna open a type, which is type header. Oh, type. Oh, are we in button? Oh yeah, we have type button, and is. Then we're gonna say class name is equal to a string, and children is React. Let me see, node. React node. I think that's how it works. Cannot find name children. Yeah, it should be like that. Oh yeah, we need to destructure, obviously. Children and class name. So that's how many of them are gonna look like. And obviously we need to do button. Button. I haven't touched it for a while, so I have to think about it. But FC React. I forgot how to type. Give me a second. Let me go one of my projects. I haven't touched it in a while. You see how forgetful I am. So let's go to one of my projects. I think the hairdresser client is one of the things I did. Give me a second, guys. So let's go to navigation. Hero. How did I do it? Oh yeah, reactjs. Okay. Yeah. So let's go here. React FC and then button. Okay, button. Okay, great. That works. So they say it's BG Blue 500, but is it actually? It doesn't really matter, but okay, it's this color. So copy. I'm just gonna be with BG Blue 500. It doesn't really matter for now. You can always make it better later, right? Anyways, let's do this one. Same with the header. So let's go to header. And okay, let's copy this. And then we're gonna copy the button. Right? Let's go to header. And then paste. Header. Great. BGB 500, blah 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 blah. Okay, so this is gonna be this one. Great. And this one is obviously going to be this one. Okay, that's the header. So let's go do the same and let's do the paragraph now. So let's go to components, we say paragraph, tsx, paste. Paragraph, graph, okay. P, and then we're gonna paste. You'll see it. You see? Okay. Again, we're not doing text 16 and tracking is 26. Okay, great, done. Okay, done. This one done, this one done, this one done. Okay, so now we have the mini banners and the H2. Let's do the H2 first. Okay. I'm trying to grab one. Okay, 45, 65. Okay. Copy that. So let's copy this one and let's go to here. We're gonna say it's not called header, it's called I could call it subheader. Sorry, just out of it for that. And let's paste the header, and we're gonna say sub header. Right. We're gonna paste the values. So font size is 45 and line height is 55. Great, done that. Now we're gonna do mini banner. So mini banner. So this is one is more difficult because it also contains an icon, right? It doesn't say anything about the size. It just says it has a padding of 20 and the bottom 25 and the border radius of 10. Okay, well, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna leave it at that. Let me see. Okay, then do the mini banner. And we're also gonna save that as a button, right? So we already have that. So I'm gonna rewrite that. Again, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna say button, B from button. Okay. This is a button. Describe it as a prompt. So I want to see there seems to be an icon before this text. Am I right? Who you then re-describe the prompt. You make HTML and tailwind for this. Okay. Okay, yeah, that looks good. I think. Flex item center. Body. Let's just find screen. Book an appointment. Now button. Okay, so this is what it seems, right? So let's copy it. So we're also gonna copy the button. Copy here. I'm gonna say change the names here with the multi-cursor. I'm gonna say mini banner. Okay. And then we have some specific values here, so let's paste that and let's rewrite that. So let me see what's going on here. First, let's change the classes. Okay, class name, and then we can actually add some values here. See, let's do this. Instead of that class name, I want to do the class name like this. So great, that works. Obviously, line join, stroke width, line cap. Okay, because this is React. Let me see, we're missing this one. This is going to be for this one, and then also we're gonna say this is children, right? And let me check the other text. Okay, so it can be anything, right? Plus icon, this one, and it could be anything really. Okay, so we need to think about this text as well. So that's gonna be an appointment. That's going to be banner text, and this is going to be children. Okay, so I'm gonna copy and paste that. I'm gonna paste it like this, and we don't have banner text, so we're gonna say banner text, and we're gonna say this is also a string. I'm gonna say banner text. Okay. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but we'll see about that. That's not too important right now, as long as we can use it, right? So now we can record the video again. So let's go here. Let's actually go here and here. See, where's my mouse? Okay, it's here. Alright, so we made our components with button, we made a component header, we made a component mini banner, we made a component paragraph, and made a component subheader. And basically, that's just how it should work. And yeah, also this area is not important right now, but basically everything works as it should. And now we're gonna try and fill in the page with React and AI. Let's see what happens. Okay, awesome. So I'm gonna do this button. Okay, and it's gonna have children. And children is, for example, like book now, right? And banner text is going to be book an appointment. Okay, I'm not sure how to give it as an argument, but we'll see later. Let me see if we forgot something. Oh, this is the mini banner. So let's do mini banner. Okay. Mini banner like this. Let's see if it works. Mini banner. Okay, so banner text is not assignable. Banner text does not exist on type. It does though, but we do need to close this one like that. And banner text does not exist. Okay, so let's see what the issue is. Banner text, banner text. Something we're gonna ask later. Let's see how we are doing. Okay, book now is here. And the icon is not showing up. Okay, so we have to work on that as well. Great, no worries. It seems to be working. I am going to put in the AI now. So we're gonna do hook line. I want to use banner text as an argument for text inside of here inside of the RP in could you fix this? completed? I don't think so. That's not the issue. That is not the issue. The issue is that the issue is when I assign banner text like this, it does not show up in the button. Please check mini banner for this. Why? Okay, great. I wanted to look something like this, right? Is it already a hover effect? No, it's not. Not sure where the hover is coming from. Not sure yet. Okay, we have a problem, sir. What does it say? Okay, so it's saying that it should be visible. Okay, so let's make a P10. Let's see if that's true. How about P, I don't know, 100 pixels. Let's also exaggerate, which is not even. Not even responding. Okay, so we have our first issue. P20. Do you respond? Nothing. Is it properly? Curious what happened. Okay, is that true? Oh, awesome. No, I'm good. So let's check the changes just in case we encounter that issue. Okay, so banner text, class name is fill, which made it optional. It's still string, it's still banner text. It's still the banner text here. So I'm not sure what happened, but maybe it's because of the class name then. Okay, no worries. Alright, it's time for actually doing the section and those kinds of stuff. So let's get the real deal done. Basically, okay, it's time for us. So, okay. Navigation. Okay, and let's go to let's make a prompt, a default prompt. Alright, create. Okay, so create this. Alright, create this. Create this. Import import this one. Import this this one. Okay, so I cannot use images. Create inside of this a navigation bar. Navigation bar. And I also have to make it responsive. So that is a very common one. For the text, use paragraph.tsx. For the button, use button.tsx. If there is no hover effect, please create one. Create one that is outlined, that has an outline effect. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into my other, go to the bad ChatGPT. I'm gonna again import the image. Like you can do it with multiple ones, right? So navigation. Describe this navigation bar as the following: logo, navigation flexbox, and the items are logo, paragraph text, and button as a prompt. Okay. So we're gonna copy this one and like we have a prompt now, right? Oh, we did all these, so this one can be gone. Where is my other text one? I just created a prompt. Where is it? Is it gone? Is it on the other screen maybe? Yeah, it's on the other screen. Okay, no worries. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go to this one, and I'm gonna say this, and instead of these ones, I'm saying navigation, okay, I'm gonna copy this one. TSX. Logo. Okay, logo, paragraph text, new items. Okay, so we can copy this prompt. Okay, and I will let it run. Now we immediately go to the next one. We're gonna go to this accordion section, or let's see, the most simple one. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, these ones. I do need to get the thing here, the okay. So I'm gonna say footer. Okay. We immediately go to the other page, and yeah, approve. We go to the other page. Okay. So swipe, footer. Describe this footer image. Okay. Let's see if it doesn't great. Not the exact description. The logo and caption with the social media icons are missing. Please rewrite prompt. Okay. Okay. How would you describe it if this was a flex box? Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. Great. So we can do that for the next one as well. Okay, so you can say go here. Okay. Alright, import. Okay. Let me see how things are going. Let me check on it. Okay. Do footer. Let me do. Okay. Okay. Get this one. Okay. Okay. Let me see. When use button. I don't have the icons yet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save them really fast. If that's possible. Yes, it is possible. There's another way of doing that. Let's actually go to not that, not that one. This one. We go here, application, and we go. Okay. That is an issue because they are not showing up. Oops. That's a big oops. Is it a font? Yeah, it's probably a font. Okay. Okay, I will leave it at that. We can fix it later. Okay, approve. Okay, it created links though. Okay, let's let it see how it looks. Ooh. Okay. And it's not responsive. Okay. That was not good. Okay. Yes. You can run it. Okay, let's work on the second prompt. Sure. You can check. See how much time we have left. 20 minutes? Bro. we need to run. We need to make a run. If that is 20 minutes left. Okay, proceed while running. Okay. So we're gonna make some navigation. Okay. Your brand tagline here. What is going? Oh, I see. Tracking should be leading. Yeah. My mistake. Okay. Leading. Okay. And paragraph leading. Okay. Leading. Okay, let's see if it's responsive or anything like that. Okay. Your brand tagline here can be gone. So let's do that. Okay. Let's go. Navigation. Okay, think. We're gonna continue with the footer. We really need something on the page. We have 20 minutes left, so okay. All right. Gonna do this one, and then we're gonna do the other ones. Okay, we're gonna do this one. Oh. Okay. Paint. Okay. FAQ. Describe this image. Okay. Let me see what it does. Okay. So that's waiting. So we can say that this is an accordion. accordion, comprehensive spell servers. Okay, and let's do continue, and let's go back to this one. Okay. Okay, that is the next section that can be described. Then let's see this one. Okay, that's adding. Okay. There's a photo for healthcare professional. Use use a pixabay picture for this. I'm not sure if DeepSeek can go online and say pixabay picture, but we'll see about that. There is a header above this section which is the subheading TSX. Okay, this prompt. Okay, we're gonna go here and let's see how it looks. Not quite, not quite, not quite, not quite. Okay, we are in big trouble. We are in big trouble. Big, huge trouble. Huge. Let me see. That was an accident. We are in huge trouble. Okay. Prompt. So there is no button here. So next one. Great. Okay. Start new task. Great. I started a new task. Let's do some fixes. So the footer background should not have that background. It's actually gray. So gray 600. So let's open another one with this one. Another one, I said. Okay. Yes. So I'm gonna go to footer tsx, and what we're gonna do is there's like a background that is says gray 600 for the footer. Okay, so why is it blue then? So let's find blue. Okay, there's no blue. Okay, so what the hell happened then? Oh, okay. Well, the gray is too much. Let's do stone. Stone 100. Well, that's close, right? And the text should be black, so let me see. Text black. Okay, that's way better. Okay, let's see how it does. Approve. Let's check the next section. We So guys, we have 10 minutes left, and yeah, the coding is going along great, but the sections not quite, right? Um, yeah, because if you look at this one and you look at this one, they don't look too great, right? Like this was close, but it's not even like look how it looks. It's not even well, this is only a footer, right? And these images are the Facebook icon and those kinds of stuff. It's also has a size increase, not good. I haven't made this one though. Okay, so I think I'm definitely not gonna make it. I'm gonna show you the real results. But yeah, the big lesson here is not gonna do. Okay. The big lesson seems to be here is that when this AI describes the image, which works fine for small components, it does not work fine when it comes to like these sections. So I definitely need a visualizer for this when I'm gonna attempt the next challenge. But compared to a previous challenge that we did, definitely we learned our lesson. Um, yeah, okay, this is not bad necessarily, right? But the um, the things increases, right? So the overall size increases, so that is an issue. It picked a coffee, which described something else, and it is not using this one probably. Not sure. Let's try to do something. Still have 10 minutes left. Maybe we can make something from this, right? But definitely we need a visualizer that really describes well what's going on. Like, look at this, right? This is not good. This will be a lot of bug fixing, um, which we don't want to do. But yeah, for icons works great, but for the other things doesn't. So I'm gonna continue the last 10 minutes and then yeah, stop recording. Okay. So the next section would be I would do this one. Alright, hero. Yes. Okay. Let's go to website. Okay, let's go to hero. Describe this as it um like it is Flexbox. So maybe we can try something. We can say v0, and with the v0 we can say the reason why I hate v0 is because of the shed cn, but maybe it can describe this one really well, right? So let's go here and let's say I don't think v0 is the right one for this though. No. Okay, let's go here. Okay, that's Okay, let's make this the hero, hero, hero. Um, for the image, use a Pixabay image. Okay, make it responsive. Um, for the header text, use header.tsx. For the text, use paragraph tsx. Okay, so we have another one, another prompt. Okay, click. Go this one. Let's see if we can get many on the pages. Okay, so let's go here. And we have to constantly have to improve, right? We have to pay attention to this one. I think we can do the same for this one. So let's go here, core values. Right, core values are like expertise, right, or features. And let's go here, let's go concern. Let's go to features. We say describe this as it were a flexbox. Okay. Sorry, I meant describe this image like it was a flexbox. So you have to be careful, right? You see, pictures, PNG. Okay, great. And then let's go to the other prompt. Are there images? No, there are not images. So this one can also go. Okay. For the header text heading, use heading subheading .tsx is called features. 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 All right. Next, copy. Go here. Does it need approval? Approve. There's 3 minutes left. So in the meantime, when it does something like this, we can do another one, which is this one. All right. Let's go here. Let's go to paint. Right. Go here. And how is this called? How it works. Okay. Let's go check in with the code. Reject. Start new task. It created the CSX, so that's not good. Use tailwind CSS. Okay. Good luck. Okay. If we save the image, I'm not sure. We'll find out now. How it works. It works. Ascribe this image. Ascribe this image like it was a flexbox. Okay. Approve. Start new task. Okay, we have 1 minute left. Let it spin. Let's see app tsx. It seems that certain things are not added. See, navigation, mini banner, hero, fac, footer. Okay, we have 28 seconds left, so we have to be really fast. Okay, let's go here. All right. Okay. Um, Again, this is the how it works. Okay. For the image, use a pixabay image. Okay, so we're not gonna call it figures. How it works. How it works. How it works. How it works. Use tailwind CSS. Copy. Copy. Let's go to the AI and paste and done. Okay. Alright guys, so we just finished just in time finishing the last prompt. Let's see how it works. Hopefully it does what I'd like it to do. But yeah, it's not looking great. Oh, resume task. Okay. It's not looking great. Um, okay. It seems that the hero is missing even in the app component. Oh, it's not missing. Okay. So yeah, let's add that and then call it a day. Right? Okay, we have that one. If the mini banner can go actually. Okay, we have the hero, we have the footer, we have the FIQ, we have the how it works. Okay, and that should work. Okay, so this is should be the heading. This should be this one. Logging makes simple. Book an appointment. And yeah, this one. So yeah, not looking great at all. That does not look like anything like the original. Right? So yeah, what are we missing? We are missing a visualizer. So I'm using the DeepSeek API for this, but DeepSeek API has a problem with the, yeah, how would I say it best? It doesn't have a visualizer. Like, it's behind the image I will show you. It does not have a visualizer, right? Which is a problem. And the Poe that we use, which is ChatGPT, like it does describe it, right? Like there's no issue with that, right? But yeah, we really need to visualize the structure and those kinds of stuff. And so is it possible to make a website in an hour like this? Well, for me, now at this moment, not without a visualizer. All right. So maybe for the second hour we could have had the styling on, right, for one page, but that's 2 hours for one page. Basically, you can do this 2 hours even without the AI. I hate to break that down to you guys, but um, yeah, that's beside the point. So because if you lay out the structure, then it's just filling in the gaps, and then it's yeah. So yeah, this is our website. Let's see if it's responsive actually. Well, that works, right? So it's responsive and it is using the, well, it's not using the button here, but because I didn't say so, but yeah. Also, these ones are gone, right? But yeah, we have something on screen. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 600 today in 7 years. And I will see you into the next one. Okay. So definitely learned my lesson here. So I'm gonna try something else because we're not recording anymore. But basically, next to this, we have another one that is the experimental one, token count. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna upload a file and we're gonna do the same for this one. Describe, um, um, check the image. Just think about the structure of the image, then think about how you would do it in a Flexbox container. Then think about the styling. Use Tailwind CSS for the styling. Um, when you did that, when you did that, create a component called surfaces.tsx with Tailwind CSS. Create a component with Tailwind CSS for this. For the image, use a pixabay image from a woman that is in a medical service environment. Okay, so that is that. Um, Notice that the items on the left below the heading are accordions. Service environment, make it responsive. Let's see how Gemini would think about it. Okay, it's using that image though, which I'm not a fan of. Did I say React? No, I did not. Use this code with caution. Okay, so we're gonna go to the FIQ and we're gonna replace everything. And the image, we're gonna say just image. And do we need to remove something? Yes, these two. Let's see how it looks, right? I wanna check. Okay, so that's way closer, right? That's way closer. Let's see how the responsive is. Okay, let's see how the responsive is for this one. Okay, so it's the image. So we can change the order. That's not a big thing. Okay. Um, So then we could say in the FAQ, could you make the accordions working with placeholder text? Use the context of the accordion when it comes to the text. For the heading, use subheading.tsx, and for the text, use paragraph graph.tsx. For the accordion question, use font bold. Okay, let's see how this can figure it out, right? Because then if I have this visualizer, then maybe we can figure some things out. Okay, it's reading. Let it cook for a bit. So this is how it looks. This is how mine looks. So the image is also below, so that's good, right? I'm not using the same text yet, and this text seems to be here, seems to be part of this. So that seems that these are like that. We can fix that issue. Using a pixel. Yes, go read that file. Okay. Okay, and how does it do this? Okay, not bad. So you see that a visualizer does way more damage, right? It seems that okay, so the heading doesn't seem to be responsive. Fix it. Can it be? Yes. Okay. Absolutely fucking not. Doesn't work. That should when I say it doesn't work, it should work. Okay, now I have like three open, which I'm not. No, there should not be any issues. There should not be any issues. Come on now. Yeah, but that doesn't. Yeah, you're something. You're something. Okay, let's move on in a more difficult task. And let's see if the studio studio can figure it out. So let's resume the task. Let's me fix the issue first in FAQ myself. Saha. Okay, that's first. That's the first thing I'm gonna fix. Second thing I'm gonna fix, I'm gonna replace this one. But you know what? I'm gonna do it like that, and I'm gonna say P. Okay. Okay, the pen. This should be fine. Is it flex wrap? Um, all live devices, flex row, flex call. I'm gonna do text center, and I'm gonna do a margin button of 4. Right? Something like that. I'm not sure why the or takes the whole width though. Let's do span as well. Oh, I know why. I already see it. P. Something like that. Okay. So this is a more difficult one, but I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about the hero. So let's see what it would do. So I'm gonna copy that, and we're gonna do a new chat. Let me see, create prompt, and do like this. And we're gonna upload the image. We're gonna do the hero. I don't think it's gonna figure it out because it's like, let's see. Let's go to the hero. Because if that is the case, then maybe we will succeed. Okay, do we have an issue? Yes, this is the issue. Okay. And also, this is not hero. This is the hero. Alright, I'm curious. Not quite. So we're gonna do it differently because it's not necessarily a flexbox, right? What we're gonna do is go back to the AI studio. go create prompt. Okay, let's try it again. It gets another opportunity. I don't know what this is. I'm not gonna do that. Okay. Okay, really excellent when it came to this one, but definitely missing the so yeah. Oh, we have some issues here. Let me see what the issues are. Okay. Okay, so we can fix it. For these ones, this one looks really good. So instead of making it um, components first, what I'm gonna do it once. Not sure what's going on here, but that doesn't look good. No, that okay. Let's see what happens. Not sure if it's using. What was it? Oh, you want to sure. Nothing. It's all good, but yeah. I don't see the text, buttons, and or image. What the hell is this, bro? Like, I know it's here. It's the container, really. Let's see. Let's check out the container because this is not good. These are okay. The whole header is fucked up. So okay, so that is definitely one issue here. Because they are stacked on top. Maybe with relative and absolute. Get out. Okay, buddy. Okay, so that is definitely a better option. So would I completely eradicate the other one? Not sure. Let's see how, yeah, okay. I think that is it for me. Alright, I'm gonna trash this project. So, goodbye. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make mistakes on today in 7 years, and I'll see you until the next one.